recognize this opening riff? Let's explore this catchy progression as we reveal 4 ace tricks and some magic of piano improvisation today. Hi there, I'm Kylie and we love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire students to learn the love of music here at our music studios. If you enjoy the content today, then please subscribe as this will really help me out. So today, let's check out our first ace card to Yiruma's beautiful River Flows in You. Yiruma begins with repeated notes and then leaps down and back up again. And I noticed that this is slightly reminiscent of the opening to Elise. But he doesn't settle back to the one chord yet. Yiruma loves being in limbo. So repeating notes or a couple of notes is one ace to remember. So don't be in a hurry to move on. Our second ace to reveal is a simple progression that occurs repeatedly after this simple intro. This is a minor 6, 4, 1 and 5 progression. We seem to have bumped into a lot of these progressions repeatedly lately, but Yiruma uses this progression and then adds some extra notes to it as well. So with our F sharp minor chord, we add a 2 feature. With our D chord, we add another 2 feature. And then back to our chord 1 of our A, he adds a cross note of the second note. And then to our E chord, there's a suspended 4 to 3 as well featuring there, before he leads everything back again to start at our F sharp minor. So keep your improv simple, stick to 1 or maybe 2 basic chord progressions, and really explore what amazing variety you can create within these simple confines. Now, ace number 3 is to see how long you can hold a note before you're tempted to add. A bit like talking, really. So with our number 3, many beautiful songs and famous pieces have very sustained melodies with only a few notes. Here Yiruma holds 2, 3, then jump in, hold 2, 3, then jump in, hold 2, 3, then jump in, hold 2, 3. So you can see there's a lot of holds. So remember to avoid playing every beat and remember to feature some beautiful held moments too. Our final ace number 4 is such an easy trick, but can be really effective and used in all sorts of situations. This trick is to feature broken chords as part of the main melody line or main interest. I've worked with students to make sure they're careful with what notes they want to feature and how much volume they want to give to main melody. But broken chords used both rhythmically and with graduated dynamics can be so special. So there we have it, the top 4 aces revealed to us through this beautiful composition by Yiruma. He creates such an amazing mix of these tricks. And I thought I might improvise now to give some more examples and maybe a flowing way of how we can explore these 4 tricks. Let's have a go. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great week and happy music making. Bye everyone.